What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to record your PlayStation 4 party chat using an Elgato and the Turtle Beach Elite Pros. I know this headset works, and I also know the Astros work, and I'm not sure of any other headsets. These are the only headsets I've used to test this method out. So I'm using the Turtle Beach Elite Pros today, and you just want to plug the USB cable into the back of the mix amp, and then you want to plug the optical cable into the back of the in port on the back of your mix amp. I'm sure you guys know this if you have the Turtle Beach Elite Pros, but one thing I forgot to mention is on the back there's a little switch right here for different platforms. You want to make sure that one is on the PS, so that's all the way to the right. You just want to flip that all the way here on the PS setting. Just wanted to remind you guys that if you didn't know. Alright, coming over to the PS4, you want to plug the other end of the USB cable into the front of your PS4, or if you have the PS4 Pro, there's an extra USB port in the back of it. And then you want to plug the optical cable into the back of your PS4 also. Now that we have the mix amp connected to the PS4, you just want to head up to your settings. You want to go down to sound and screen, audio output settings. Make sure your primary output port is on digital out, then Dolby Digital 5.1, and then click OK. Audio format, you want to make sure that's on Bitstream Dolby. As I stated before, this is using the Turtle Beach Elite Pro headset, but these are the same settings for the Astro A40s. I'm going to back out of the audio output settings and then go up to Devices, Audio Devices. And you're going to make sure your input device is set to USB headset and your output device is set to TV or AV amplifier. Now that we have the audio settings completed, you want to head up to your party and create a party, then go to Party Settings. Go down to Adjust Audio Mix. There should be a little bar here, and like a little slider on it. And there should be non-party audio, which is your game sound, and party audio. You want to make sure this bar is probably about 1 or 2 clicks from the far right side so people can hear the voices in your party. Alright, now that we have the settings completed, you can record your party chat audio on PS4. One thing I wanted to mention though is that this method for sure works with the Turtle Beach Elite Pros and the Astro A40s, but if you have another headset, you might as well give it a go, and if it works or it doesn't work, comment down below the type of headset you got and if it worked or not. Another thing I want to mention is you do have to have a capture card for this method. I'm sure you guys already knew that, but I just wanted to make that clear. The Elgato HD60 Pro works with this, and every other Elgato before that works with this method. I'm not sure about any other capture card, but if you have another capture card, do the same thing. Just comment down below what capture card you have and state if it worked or not. I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more tutorials just like this.